Hannah with Aluminess products. Today I'm going to walk you through a Chevy ladder install. Now the first thing you want to do when you open up your ladder is to verify the included hardware. You should have 2 ladder clips, 1 angle bracket, 8 1/4" 20 by 1 inch stainless steel button head bolts, 12 1/4" 20 stainless steel nuts with nylon insert, 20 1/4" stainless steel washers, and 1 anti-seize packet. The next step is to rest the ladder in the desired location on the side of the van. It is helpful to place painter's tape where the ladder will rest. It's also helpful to mark each side of the ladder mounting pads so you will know where to place the ladder clips. Place the ladder mounting clips on the bottom side of the drip rail. Before you drill through the drip rail, double check to make sure you are happy with the ladder placement. The ladder we are installing on this van is a Chevy Express mid-mount ladder that is designed to be mounted between the front wheel and the rear wheel. With the clips clamped in place, you will drill a 1/4" hole through the ladder clip and through the drip rail. Remove the painter's tape, and using the supplied 1/4" hardware, you will place 1 1/4" button head bolt through the clip and through the drip rail. Place the 1/4" washer and 1/4" 20 nut on the bolt and tighten down using a wrench. You will repeat the same process on the second ladder clip. Place the ladder on the ladder clip studs. The slotted holes on the mounting pads will slide over the studs. On each stud, place 1 1/4" washer and 1/4" 20 nut. Do not tighten them down yet. Using a clamp, secure the angle bracket to the body of the vehicle in the desired location. Once secured, drill 3 1/4" holes through the bracket and body. Use the provided hardware to secure. Next, you will drill 2 1/4" holes through the bottom of the ladder to the bracket. You will use the 2 slotted holes in the bottom of the ladder as a template. Once the holes have been drilled, use the provided hardware to secure the ladder to the angle bracket. After this step is complete, you will return to the ladder clips and tighten down the nuts.